In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices settings and tapping on About Phone section at the top. Following that, click on Device Name above Storage and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, you can discard your changes by clicking on this X at the top left corner. In order to save them, click on checkmark at the top right one. So when I click, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!